A rough trading week is about to come to a close right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, and stocks, they've gotten hammered on this, the first week of the year 2022. And investors are now wondering, is this the trend for the remainder of the year? Because last week, after a very strong finish to the year 2021, the stock market underwent a transition where a spike in rates put the markets under pressure. The release of the Federal Reserve's December meeting minutes on Wednesday showed the central bank is ready to dial back its economic help at a faster rate than some had anticipated, including taking steps to shrink its balance sheet while raising rates. Meanwhile, Friday did the markets no favor following the release of a disappointing U.S. employment report. U.S. non-farm payrolls, they showed an increase of 199,000 in December, but economists were expecting growth of 422,000, well short of expectations. But now a new trading week is about to kick off right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. Will we see a continuation of this slide, or will we see a reversal of fortunes? Let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Now we kick off the week on Monday, and it's a bit on the quiet side with all focus on Europe as the EU November unemployment rate awaits. Expectations call for a rate of 7.2%. Tuesday sees a pickup in action, and that begins down under in Australia with that nation's November retail sales figures due out. Expectations call for a rate of 4% month over month, while right here in the United States, focus will be on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's testimony in front of Congress. On Wednesday, we go back overseas. We begin in China with the nation's December Consumer Price Index due out. Expectations call for a rate of 0.2% month over month and 1.8% year over year. At the same time, consumer prices due out right here in the United States with December CPI, excluding food and energy, expected at 0.5% month over month, 5.4% year over year. Thursday sees all focus right here in the United States with the release of the weekly jobless claims figures and December producer prices. Producer prices expected to come in 8% year over year. And then Friday sees us back in China with Chinese imports, Chinese exports, and Chinese trade data figures. The Chinese trade balance for December expected at $73.4 billion US dollars. And then it's off to the United Kingdom with a combination of both industrial and manufacturing production figures as well as British GDP for the month of November, that of which is expected at 0.4%. While right here in the United States, we do have the release of December retail sales figures. Expectations call for a read of 0.3%, while preliminary consumer sentiment also awaits. Expectations call for a read of 70.6. And before signing off, a quick heads up, remember to keep an eye on any geopolitical headlines that have been moving the markets as of late, as well as any earnings reports. And until next time, reporting live from the New York Stock Exchange on this, the end of the first full week of January 2022, I'm James Swinney, reporting for ICM.